When did I die? I'll do anything to have it right back. I see all my favorite.
Today is still a little chilly, so wear your coats, wear your furs. Wear your furs. It is still cold, people.
Have it right back. I see all these moments pass.
What's up, more gang? So y'all know I'm back with this video. I told y'all I was coming on Saturday with the installation of my 3 bundles that I got. If you did not watch the other video of the review when I first got the hair, go check that out now. The link will be down in the description. But as you can see, the hair has been installed and I love it. Let's just take a look. So, as y'all know, I ordered this hair off of Amazon. It was $67 for 3 bundles. Yes, 3 bundles. And the company's name is Pretty Coco Hair. As you guys, if you watched the video before, you've seen that I got some lashes, which I will be trying also. But the hair came super quick. Came last week, and so now I'm on vacation ready, and I just cannot wait to go swimming and watch this hair curl up, and just I'm so excited, y'all. So I got a couple of videos and a couple pictures. I'm just gonna put together a little video for y'all, review of the hair, and I will be giving Pretty Coco Hair a 5-star review because they did, and this hair is just beautiful, okay? And I will be ordering in the future, just so y'all know. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye, more gang.